Hi guys, so this is going to be my first video, and I saw this really cool marble art with acrylic paints and from Fiona Arts. Thank you. And I decided that I would try it today. So the colors that I'm going to use are Mars Black by Basic Acrylics. One of my favorite colors is this Mermaid Sparkle by Art Deco. I'm going to use the Metallic White by Artist Loft. The Metallic Purple by Folk Art. Never used yellow before, so this will be a first. So it's a cheap yellow, Craft Smart bright yellow. I'm going to use this beautiful Ultramarine by Deco Art. And the Shoreline by Deco Art. I've never used this many colors together, so I'm not sure how it's going to come out. But here we go. And it's early, so I'm in my pajamas still. So the first, and my pouring medium is Floetrol. So I'm first going to coat my pour. I'm going to do a black background. Let's see how that comes out. What I'm going to do is use my hands. It's a lot easier to get this on first. And then we'll go from there. So you want to put enough that it's going to cover and drip off the sides a little bit, but not so much. So I am using stretched canvas, which is gallery format, which means it's thicker, it's more sturdy. It looks beautiful on the walls. As you can see, the sides are about an inch and a half thick. Okay, so we got our base on. I'm going to move this paint just a little because I want it to flow nice. I don't know if you can see it moving, but it is. Using my fingers, sometimes we get these marks. We don't want those. Oops. Okay, so maybe what I'll do here is take a little bit of this and just move it with my hand. I want to make sure and get all the corners. You want it thick enough so that your paint can flow. We can always add to it. So, I'm going to do that. And wipe my hands because I'm going to do a bunch of other colors. So I put these, I had these brown bags from shipping that came in, and I kind of put them around the table. I'm looking at my children's table right now, and I didn't want the ball to drop on my marble floors. So I think, let me torch this real quick. It will catch fire if you get too close. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with my blue. And I'm going to use the aquamarine blue. And I know that blue and yellow make green, so this should be interesting. This should be pretty cool. Now the purple and yellow, I'm hoping it doesn't make brown. That's okay, we'll try it. And the white, a little bit of white. The Mermaid Sparkle, this is a gorgeous color. And I'm just gonna do this maybe one more time. I'm gonna do blue, the aquamarine, the yellow, the purple, some more white. You can see my paint kind of flowing that way. It's probably because my pegs are a little uneven, but that's okay. I don't want it to be perfect. Is that? I think I'm going to mix it up a little bit and do a dark, a yellow, purple, and some more of this pretty aquamarine because I like it. I'm also going to put some along the edge. All right, so let's take a little bit of this black, put it on the outside, so my paint can flow. And let's see what the marble does. So I was practicing earlier, so don't know how it's going to come out, but we're going to drop the marble in the middle, and we're going to roll it out. I hope you guys can see that. Roll off. I'm going to stretch it a little bit, so let's see where this goes. Maybe I want to do a little more. Let's drop the marble here. I love how it gets those wispies. So I'm just going to drop them off and do my wispies first. I'm going to come back up here though, because I want that. Oh, I used a secret ingredient. I forgot to tell you. I'll show you when I'm done what I did, what I used. First, I'm going to do that. I love the way those are looking. Gotta catch it. No, maybe I'll just do that. Okay, so let me get my torch. Okay, so you can use a paper towel. I use baby wipes just because I have a ton of them that were given to me. So let's torch this first. I love the colors. So I'm going to stretch this just a hair. I want it to go over the side. Oh, sorry, you guys can't see it this way, but this is my first video, so I'm not good at turning it around yet, but I will be. You can see the paint moving. Slowly. As it goes off the canvas, I want to just get out there. I'm going to go this way. Oh, I love these colors. So pretty. I want a little little bit of negative space, but not too much. Oh, I see my cells popping out already. I think I need to add a little bit more black over here so I can move this. Okay, so let's move this way. It's moving. Very slowly, but it's moving. All right, here it comes. See that? Probably could have added a little bit more black, but that's okay. Like I said, I don't want a little bit of negative space. Right, just stretch those right off the end so that the side of the canvas has something going down. All right, I want that. Let's look at that side. That side will drop. And this side is beautiful. So, I think I like it. It's very pretty. So I'm gonna hit this again. See all those cells popping out? Use that my secret ingredient. As soon as I hit it with this torch, it should pop those cells. So the secret is you can hit it wherever you want to hit the cells. Love those colors. See all those cells popping out? Into the sides too. Those look amazing. Okay. And make sure all of my sides are covered. It's dripping down this one, so that should be fine once it goes down. So I did pretty good with them all. Let's look on this side, which I haven't done yet. That side looks good, except for this little white part, black part there. Okay, what do you guys think? Let's see how it looks when it dries. So you can see on the edges, it flows over the edges. On the edges. Love the colors. I love how that little bit of yellow popped out of there. So we'll come back to this in a little bit and see how it dries. Thank you for watching.